The engineering team at DSI is really our strength. That's what makes DSI DSI. In every discipline, additive manufacturing, plastic injection molding, forge tool, automotive, mold and die, we have really respected, seasoned veterans in those positions, and they've done the job that our customers are asked to do every day.
We've tried other alternatives in the past, but finding DSI was a real game changer. Now, instead of wasting time on YouTube rabbit holes or internet forums, we have people we can talk to who have been down a lot of those wrong paths already. DSI saves us time so that we can safely innovate and help our customers push the boundaries of what is possible.
Even the best machines in the world are only as good as the parts they produce, and your time is money. Datron trusts in the services provided by DSI as they elevate our customers on their entire CNC machining journey. We believe that anything can be achieved with the right support.
When you're programming, you need the confidence to know what you see simulated on your computer is exactly what you'll get in real life. Our direct relationship with machine tool builders gives DSI customers a fast track to identifying and correcting any issues with the simulation models or predicted behavior. When you're ready to generate code, you need it to work straight away with zero hand edits, and you want to benefit from every dollar you've invested into your machine tools.
Me and my buddy were having a problem running his trunnion, and I had no idea how to help him. And I was like, hey, let me call Angelo, who works at DSI, and they got us a post within a couple hours, and we had the machine running the next morning.
One of the benefits of the partnership with DSI is you, the customer, get a finalized post. Mazak has a full department of applications engineers. They work very closely with DSI to make sure that your part and your posts are right out of the box.
We went from knowing really nothing about the best fit alignment in Fusion to getting an additively manufactured part aligned. We did some post-machining on it and verify that everything is in tolerance and where we want it. So it's been really amazing to see from nothing to part out of the machine in 2 or 3 days, which would have taken us weeks probably to figure out on our own. Most of our other providers that we've talked to, they have an idea about maybe the one specific software side of what we do, but then I have to give them a primer on what an end mill is, what the holder we're using, but with your intimate knowledge of the industry, different techniques, and what it's like to work in a machine shop. It's really helped speed up the process so that I don't have to spend time giving you background on the companies that we're using for vices. It's just say we're using this, what we're talking about, and we can keep moving on.